Hello, welcome to our today's tutorial. So today we're gonna see how we can make our pen drive or USB bootable, and it is only for the Linux. Today we'll see. Hopefully it will be helpful for the beginner who is going to use the Linux or Ubuntu. So at first we have to go to the website of Ubuntu. Then you have to download the Ubuntu desktop. Here's the option download. Here you can see the latest release of Ubuntu is showing over here. So we're going to download. So automatically the downloading will be started. So I'm canceling the download because I have already downloaded my Ubuntu 20 version. So here it is. Okay, and I have already plugged in my USB pen drive, and I'm going to format my pen drive, start, then OK, and it's completed. So our next job is we have to go to this website, rufus.ie, this website. Then you can find over here Rufus 3.11, or when you are watching this video, maybe the latest version have come, so you have to get that one. If you want the portable one, you can also get it from here. So I have already downloaded this one, you can see here. So now our job is to use this to make the bootable option Linux or Ubuntu. So as we have already you have seen that, or you have downloaded the ISO file I've already shown you, this one. Okay, I have the older version, but I'm going to use this one to make bootable my USB. So it is already selected, the pen drive which I have already plugged in and I would prefer to. Then you have to go to the select option, and then you have to choose that file, which one, that ISO file, which one you're gonna use as okay, as a bootable, to make the bootable option. So I have already chosen it. Must you have to select the MBR option. Everything is fine. Ready. Okay, if it seems that everything is okay here, then click on start button, then yes. Okay, so we have completed our bootable process here. So that's all. What's the status? Yeah, it seems that it's showing here Ubuntu 20.0, that means actually. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you prefer to use this anywhere, if you like this video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see or if you want to get the notification on our next videos. So thank you all.